Hey guys, it's me ILVA Crafts and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I will be starting a brand new sketchbook. In this video, I will be showing you two really cute sketches for starting your first sketchbook. So first of all, I picked this really cute orange sketchbook. I also have a bigger version of this one, but since that one was kind of too big for me, I decided to get the smaller version. And I also decided to decorate and color up the letters that are on the front page of the sketchbook. So the whole theme of this video will be oranges and blues, and I really like this color combination and I think that it turned out really cute at the end. As you can see, I'm using both orange and two shades of blue to color up these letters, and I also wrote my name. I also added some little cute doodles around my name just to add a cute look to it. You can definitely use any colors that you like, but to be honest, this color combination has to be my favorite one. And we are basically done with the cover. I feel like it is pretty basic, but it adds that ILVA Crafts thing to it. And now that I'm done with the cover, you can definitely skip this part, but I highly recommend to decorate your cover and just personalize it with some really cute doodles or colors that you like. So for the first page, I decided to turn my notebook horizontally, not vertically. Horizontally because I have more space to write my first page. So first of all, I sketched it out of camera, just the letters, but now I'm sketching with pencil to make the letters more bold, because I like when letters are bold and kind of like balloony. And also at the end, you can add some cute little cartoony doodles using a white gel pen. So as you can see so far, I decided to go for a really cute type of first page, just writing my fourth ILVA Crafts sketchbook. This is actually my fourth one, and my third one is a mini sketchbook. I also post some of my drawings there on my Instagram, so go follow me on my Instagram. And I will definitely be posting a lot of the drawings that I will do in this one on my Instagram. And I also picked a type of lettering that I really like, not only because it's very easy to draw, but at the end it looks super bubbly and cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this black pen. I use this black pen mostly for journaling, and to be honest, it didn't work that great on this type of sketchbook paper, so I decided to use this other one, which is more inky and good for pen drawing. I feel like adding a black outline makes the drawing look way better, and I always like to add a black outline whenever I'm drawing. I also added some cute little doodles that I like around it, for example some dripping paint and some stars or circles or just some simple lines. Now that I'm done doodling and writing the title, I'm going to use this really nice eraser to clean the pencil lines. Now I'm going to use those same colors, oranges and shades of blue, to color these letters up. As you can see, for the number 4, I decided to use both this kind of lighter orange and a darker shade of orange because I feel like it makes it more colorful and beautiful. You can definitely use any color combinations that you prefer, but to be honest, this has to be my favorite color combination, that's why I went for it. I recommend to use as many colors as you like and as many different doodles or types of lettering for your first page to make it more colorful and personalized. Here on the sketchboard, I used the different shades of blue and it turned out great. And for the book one, the book word, I decided to do that same method that I used for the number 4 to do for the 2 O's, and then for the other letters, I did something different, combining the 2 different colors with each other. For example, on the letter B, I used the orange marker to do the dots and the blue one to color the letter up. And now I'm using orange to color this dripping paint, and for the other one I used blue. And I'm basically done with the first page. I feel like it turned out super cute. The color combination is just my favorite part. The lettering turned out super cute too, but I forgot to add that little details with a correction pen since I don't have a gel pen. And we're basically done. I feel like it turned out amazing, and the first page is always a page that you should pay more attention to, but to be honest, it's okay if you skip it and then do it after you've done some other pages. For the second page, just like the cover of this notebook that has a little inspirational quote, I decided to do the same thing on this page, but in this one I used some other colors, and I love this color combination too. It's like purple, a lighter purple, kind of like a mustard yellow, and orange. So it says, work hard, dream big, and for each word I used a different type of lettering, and it turned out super cute at the end. As I told you can use any color combination that you think would look good or would show your personality best. But to be honest, this color combination turned out real good. And of course, you can pick any inspirational quotes. I just googled inspirational quotes and picked this one. I also added some cute little doodles around the letters just to make it more fun and cute, and also a little border. I colored the little doodles up with yellow and light pink. And you guys, were basically done with this page. This was so quick to make and I really like the results. It's pretty cute, perfect to start a brand new sketchbook, like an inspirational quote for your brand new sketchbook to inspire you to fill all the pages up. This notebook turned out really cute. I really enjoyed filming this video too. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to start your own brand new sketchbook. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts and also subscribe to my second channel at ILVA Craft Shorts. Thank you so much for watching. I love your crafts. Bye!
This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, craft!